everyone, Strange Incident is here and back with some new and crazy footage, so keep watching. He really thinks this is a ramp for his favorite balls.
Wee! Wee! Wee!
Bath bomb time, mother. Playtime never ends, even in my sleep. So much mutual love from both parties. This is the happiest third wheel you will ever see. Hope you guys enjoyed what you've seen so far in this video, and if you did, leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and check out these junior videos, you might enjoy them as well. Later!